Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. My niece and I like to learn how to draw with different videos online. We really like these markers from Shuttle Art. It comes with a great variety of colors. We like to use cardstock when we're coloring, but these markers are great because they can be used on many other surfaces like plastic or wood, just to name a few. The ink dries fast, which I like to prevent any smearing. And as you can see, within just 5 seconds, the ink is already dry. I love that. And the tips are a nice size. They're not too thin that it takes forever to color in, but not too thick so that you can actually get some clear definition in your drawings. I really like that it comes with this clear plastic sleeve so that you can see all the markers easily and it's nicely organized. This marker set from Shuttle Art is a great collection to have, whether you're a kid or you're a kid at heart who just really loves a good marker. And that's my point of view.